What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. I am excited because, hey, you know what? My garage is empty, but it's no longer going to be empty because I got myself another car. Yes, I got myself another BMW, and I'm pretty excited for this one because it's gonna be a game changer, guys. I mean, my channel has been all about the N20 motor, and I gotta say, I love the N20 motor. It's a great motor, and I had a phenomenal time with it. And I mean, guys, I have a lot of content coming for this channel, and I am excited to release what car I got and why I decided to trade up my N20 to this car. Had a great time with my N20, and it's sad to see it let go, but to be quite honest, it's one of those things where it didn't make sense to rebuild that motor, put in forged internals, and stick with it for another 4 or 5 years, because guess what, I was still financing it. It made more sense to put all that money into another car, ride that warranty coverage for 5-6 years, and have a stronger engine, a whole different experience. And guys, I'm telling you right now, there's a lot of content coming to this new car. What's up, dude? So take a guess, let me know what car you think in the comments. Let me know what car you think I upgraded to. It is a total upgrade, and I'm so excited for it. And I've been talking to Kies Motorsports and other companies that I've worked with to see if I can just get more parts and what to do with it. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification because I have a ton more content coming. So I basically parted out all the parts on my N20. I mean, look over here. I have my AWE exhaust suite that goes on the N20, single pipe outlet. I have over here, it's a mess, forgive me. My wife might kill me because this is a mess. But I have the MST intake, the inlet, diverter valve. I have a strut bar that could possibly fit my new car. So hey, let me give you a hint of what kind of car I got. But that strut bar fits in my F30 and also fits this new car that I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I also have M3 fenders that still need to be installed, that are not painted, but they're practically brand new, still in the box. I also have a boost pipe, and geez, man, all these parts that never got installed. I also have my rad Bavarian rotors that hopefully can fit this new car. So guys, I'm excited because it came through, it all worked out. Oh, and I have this bumper. It's a base, not M Sport bumper. If anybody needs it, it's metallic gray. If you need it, drop a comment or DM me, and I would love to just get you that bumper. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited. The car's here. The wife took it to work, so that's why I have an empty garage. But thank you so much for all your support. Stay tuned, guys, and make sure you subscribe because I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, and I am so excited for new content coming. And guys, I'm even thinking about getting another car, and maybe a project car. And I'm really excited because it's one of those classic BMWs. I don't want to give it away at all, but I'm so excited because I might get this car and give you double the content of 2 different cars. So a lot of cool things happening, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Just want to give you guys an update. Drop a comment below, drop your guesses to what car I upgraded to, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you, fam.